Going on, y'all? We finally finna start moving stuff in. Can't put no cars in here till for another day. So I think what I'm gonna do, back my truck up about right here. Then get my damn, I need to change my shoes. Just cleaned these shoes too. Get my hand truck dolly. Get this left in position. I know for a fact I'm gonna scrape this floor up a little bit. That's why I want to do it now. And then whatever I scrape up, I'll reseal tomorrow once I clean everything up. But yeah, I'm gonna take the pressure washer up there and give it a little rinse off. So like I said, I'm just trying to have a fresh start up in there. There's toolbox and all that. I don't know how that's gonna happen. I would rather do that when the new slab come, but ain't no date. So let's wrap this thing up the driveway real quick. Alright, y'all seeing it with me. This I think this epoxy or something. Clean that off in there. Shoot, I need to get in there some more. Can't see what I'm doing. I'm about to use a flashlight or something. Trying to get all that quick stuff I can blow out. Yeah, she's coming along though. Coming along. So I need to blow in the inside and the bottom again. Man, I'm getting excited. I don't lie. It's about to go back up. Man, the clean water coming off of it. Yeah, it's pretty clean. I had to grease the chains, but yeah, these straps holding on for dear life. Yeah, I got some cardboard. Put some cardboard down so when I drop it, I'm gonna slam on the arm. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just push them back up. That should do the trick. I'm loosening the strap and then make my move. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Man, the bad boy in. So glad we sealed the flow, man. Y'all hear the sound? But never heard that. All this gonna come up so easy. Wouldn't have been like that. But I gotta get the other post piece and the piece that go across right here. I think it could get more space in between here, but that's all it's allowing me to do. And tracks got to be adjusted again too. So let me go get the last two pieces, put it in the back of the truck, rinse it off, bring it back around here. Okay. Yeah, y'all see that's about a good 2 inches. Yeah, I still got about a good 2 inches. So what I'm gonna do is raise this thing all the way up. There go the slack right there. Ain't nothing over there. So let me see if I could shimmy it. So hold on, let me try to do this so I can get it set. Alright. It's in place. Yeah, I moved it all the way out. Yeah, they should be clicking around the same time. Pop. Yeah, so I might not have to adjust it. So, you know, it's in place down there. Yep. And then this side had to be notched. When I remember my first set it up. The cables, the pressure hose was longer than I needed it, and the chains were short. All right, y'all, we made it back to the house. Lift this thing up. And lift this up all the way so I can drill these holes. I need to get some tape so I can know where to stop. And then I got some old epoxy that I use when I put it in the other shop, that one over there. So what I'm trying to do is make sure, what I just said at Home Depot, I'm trying to make sure I don't need the epoxy I just bought so I can return it. Shit. Man, this stuff's expensive, man. I'm finna lift this all the way up, all the way it could go. And then, yeah, gonna drill them out, epoxy, and shoot tomorrow. Shoot, we could do some mechanical work if we wanted to, but I'm actually doing regular work. I don't know how I'm gonna get my toolbox in here, because the toolbox, like I said, is gonna go right here. But it is very, very heavy. I'm not taking all my tools out. I mean, I would take the drawers out. I'm gonna see what I can do. But tomorrow I'm just trying to do work that make money. So, yeah. Lift this all the way up, and then shoot, I'm gonna see if that epoxy good. I gotta find my dang caulk gun, because that's what it come out with. But I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse in a sec. All right, y'all, I'm finna start time lapsing y'all again. Oh yeah, I left my dang tripod in the garage. So, I'm about to drill the posts out. Got the vacuum, suck the dust up. And you got the air compressor in here now. I can disconnect the line and blow all the dust out. For 10. Take these other ones out. I already took them all the way over there. 5 for 10. Get the other 5 knocked out. We done. Man, this video looking good. Sorry, geez. Man. This car ain't been washed out for so long. Man. Last 5 bolts in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got them all in. Gotta come in here tomorrow, mop and clean up. But I'm leaving this as is. I ended up using the second epoxy set. So the lift is officially set. Tomorrow we'll crank it down once the epoxy set. And yeah, I gotta take this impact drill back about 9 o'clock. So, cut y'all back on when I take it back.
The next day.
All right, back with the lift. It's the next day. Letting the post down. I'm about to shorten this power cord. That way, I can just shoot it over this and then come around like that. Yeah, I got all of that. So I'm gonna shorten that, then redo it inside this box. It's only 3 wires, power, neutral, and ground. All right, we about to test her out. Tighten that thing up, shorten that cable, disconnect the dang charger. And yeah, that's why I was trying to clean up all the dirt on the thing. But it came out, like I said, it came out pretty clean. I tried to even it out. Still got more space on this side. It's all right. Let's try to see what we get. Yep, they're clicking together. I ain't gotta touch the tracks. Car coming up even. That's good, man. So the lift is in and the lift is working. Yes, sir. Yeah. I don't think this thing is seated. No, it's not. Let me let that down so I can fix that. And then, yeah, now the Chevelle gonna be getting started for real, finally. Finally. Getting started for real. It's hopefully before the month out, the frame will be separated from the car. Yeah, so that's it, man. Lift is up and operational. Yes, sir, let's get it.